Tired of Jira not tracking the data you actually need? Maybe you're trying to log a specific project deadline, a client name, or a budget number, but the default fields just don't cut it. I've been there too. Here's the good news. You can create custom fields in under 5 minutes, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. So here's the plan. We'll start from your Jira dashboard, navigate into the settings, and create a brand new field step by step. By the time we're done, you'll be able to capture exactly the information your team needs. All right, let's start with the first step. Go ahead and open up your Jira account. Log in wherever you normally do, and you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the home base for everything we're about to do. Now, look up to the top right corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? Click on that. This is your main settings button, and it's where you'll find all the admin controls. I've spent a lot of time in this menu, and trust me, this is the gateway to making Jira work the way you want it to. Once you click that gear, a drop-down menu appears. You'll want to click on Work Items. Now, the wording might look a little different depending on your Jira version, but it's usually one of the first options you see. This takes you into the core area where you manage your projects and tasks. Over on the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with several menu items. Click on Fields. This is where Jira stores all the information categories for your issues. Everything from the standard summary and due date to any custom stuff you want to add lives right here. You should now see a button that says Create New Field. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic starts. Jira is about to ask you what kind of information you want to collect. And here's the really important part, choosing a field type. This is where you need to think carefully about what you're trying to track. You've got a bunch of options. If you need a simple checkbox, choose that. If you need a number for budget amounts, pick the number field. There are drop-down menus, date pickers, text boxes, and even user pickers. In my experience, most people get this wrong the first time. So take a second here. Ask yourself, what kind of answer do I need from my team? A date, a selection from a list, a short sentence? Pick the type that matches. This decision makes the field easy to use later. Once you've picked your field type, you'll move to the next screen. Here, you need to enter the field name. Keep it clear and simple. If this is for a client name, just call it client name. If it's for a priority deadline, call it deadline date. You want your team to know exactly what to put in there without guessing. Now, enter a description. This one's optional, but I highly recommend it. Just 1 or 2 sentences explaining what you want people to enter. For example, please enter the full name of the client for this project. It saves a ton of questions later and keeps everyone on the same page. Finally, click Create. That's it. Your new custom field is now live in Jira. It might take a second to process, but once it's done, you'll see it in your list of fields. You can now add it to any issue screen or project. And just like that, you've gone from being stuck with Jira's default options to being able to track exactly what your team needs. No more workarounds, no more messy notes in the description field. You have full control now. Go ahead and give it a try on your own project and see how much smoother your workflow gets.